Hey Snapchat users! If you're dealing with the frustrating full-screen camera issue on Snapchat in 2025, you're not alone. Whether you're seeing black bars, a cropped view, or the camera just won't go full screen, I've got a simple step-by-step guide to fix it. This tutorial is quick, easy, and tailored for the latest updates, so let's dive right in and get your snaps back to perfect. First, start by updating your Snapchat app. Head to your device's App Store, whether it's Google Play or the Apple App Store, search for Snapchat, and tap Update if a new version is available. Developers often release patches for bugs like this, so staying current is key. Next, clear the app's cache to eliminate any temporary glitches. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Snapchat, Storage, Clear Cache. For iOS users, you might need to offload the app or restart it. This step can free up space and resolve performance issues. Now, double-check your camera permissions. Snapchat needs full access to your camera to work properly. Go to your phone's Settings, Apps, Snapchat, Permissions, and ensure the camera option is enabled. If it's turned off, toggle it on and restart the app. If that doesn't do the trick, try restarting your device. Sometimes, a simple reboot can fix software hiccups. Hold down the power button, select Restart, and open Snapchat again to test. Another effective step is to reinstall the app. Uninstall Snapchat from your device, then download and install it fresh from the App Store. This removes any corrupted files and gives you a clean slate. Finally, if you're on a newer phone, check your display settings. Some devices have options for full-screen apps. Go to Settings, Display, Full Screen Apps and make sure Snapchat is set to optimize for your screen. There you have it. By following these steps, you should have your Snapchat camera working in full screen mode. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and happy snapping.